Good morning and welcome to your Wallops weather briefing. Well, cloudy skies out there currently with some cool conditions, but we'll see some interesting weather moving in here over the course of the next couple of hours and lasting into the afternoon and evening tonight, as we'll see some snow showers in association with a upper level trough digging out of the Midwest toward the eastern United States, bringing us those snow showers later on today. Yesterday we saw pretty mild conditions here at Wallops, got up to a high temperature of 49 degrees. Most locations in the 30s and 40s for daytime highs, 37 degrees, a little cooler down in Norfolk yesterday, 47 in Salisbury, and 43 degrees at our nation's capital. Overnight last night, temperatures in the 20s and 30s, 34 degrees, our overnight low here at Wallops. And we see some precipitation over the last 24 hours, especially off to the northwest, as they are already starting to see some light snow shower activity in the Baltimore and DC area this morning. 9/100ths of an inch of precipitation over the last 24 hours for Baltimore. We have remained dry over the last 24 hours, but we will see some precipitation work its way in here over the course of the next couple of hours. Light snow being reported with 24-degree temperature at Baltimore currently. You see light snow also falling at Dover, Pax River, and in Richmond. We are under cloudy skies here at Wallops with a temperature reading of 36 degrees as of 9 a.m. Looking at our sounding information from this morning's balloon release, see that freezing level almost at the surface at 300 feet, and our winds generally running out of a northwesterly direction from the surface all the way up to around 1,000 feet. Then we see the winds turn more westerly and eventually southwesterly as we get up to around the 5,000 to 6,000 foot level, keeping that southwest component all the way to 25,000 feet, where we see winds at 89 knots. Taking a look at our radar satellite composite, you can see those snow showers just off to our north and west. They are making their way a little closer to the Wallops region. More snow is expected in the portions of southern Virginia, especially southeastern Virginia. Richmond, Williamsburg area will pick up a little more than what we do today, as we'll see a lot of that snow shower activity start to dry up a bit as it moves its way toward the east. But we are expecting some snow here at Wallops beginning probably around 11 o'clock this morning, so another hour or two we'll start to see some flurries, but most of the snow shower activity should be this afternoon, where we'll see potentially about a half an inch to an inch of total snowfall accumulation here at Wallops. Taking a look at our current surface analysis, you can see that frontal boundary with a couple of areas of low pressure along that frontal boundary that will be moving through the region today. This area low pressure along the South Carolina, North Carolina border will be moving along this front, producing some snow shower activity later on as we go through the day today. Taking a look at the latest short-term model run that you have here as of about an hour ago when this was initialized. You can see the snow shower activity mostly during the afternoon today. Again, could see some snow flurries by around 11 o'clock this morning, but most of that will hold off until this afternoon, where we'll see the snow shower activity continuing into the evening. This looks like we'll keep the snow shower activity going until about 10 o'clock this evening, and then seeing that taper off to a few flurries. Everything should be out of the area by midnight tonight. So taking a look at our 24-hour forecast and what we can expect today, again, most of that snow shower activity later on this afternoon, and we'll see those temperatures falling quickly as precipitation begins across the area. Currently seeing temperatures right around 35 degrees, but they will be dropping to around 30 degrees as that precipitation begins, and eventually into the upper 20s later this afternoon, as we'll see those snow showers continuing into the late afternoon and evening hours. Again, expecting about a half an inch to an inch of total precipitation here at Wallops before all is said and done, with snow showers ending right around 10 o'clock this evening. Then we'll see a pretty rapid decrease in our cloudiness overnight tonight. Skies becoming partly cloudy to mostly clear after midnight tonight, an overnight low temperature of 19 degrees. As you can see, our winds will continue to be breezy during the overnight period as well, creating wind chill values below 10 degrees after midnight tonight. So a very cold evening in store for us, and we'll see a pretty chilly start to our morning tomorrow morning as well, with sunny skies and a temperature only around 19 degrees for our expected overnight low temperature. As we go into the next couple of days, Thursday and Friday, seeing mostly sunny and cool conditions both days. A daytime high of 37 degrees for Thursday, an overnight low temperature of 26 degrees expected for Thursday night. And we'll see milder conditions in store for Friday and into the weekend. We'll see a warm up occurring. Friday's high temperature 47 degrees expected. Looking at our current thinking on snowfall totals throughout the region, again, a very light snowfall event expected for us today. Most of that occurring during the afternoon today for us. And as you can see, about a half an inch to an inch expected across the Accomack County and Maryland eastern shores, as we'll see about a half an inch to an inch from about 11 o'clock today through about 6 o'clock this evening. Could extend a little farther into the evening with a few flurries, but most of our accumulating snow should be completed by this evening. And then we'll see a little higher amounts down in toward Northampton County, where about 1 to 2 inches of snowfall is expected. Looking at the highlights here, again, we'll see the snow from late morning into the evening hours. Snowfall expected to begin around 11 a.m. Again, only expecting a few flurries to occur after 11, but into the afternoon hours is when we'll start to see some of those moderate snow showers occurring. And when we do see the moderate snow showers later in the afternoon, we could see some treacherous driving conditions developing, as those temperatures will be falling into the upper 20s. So for your commute home today, please make sure that you take some extra precautions, as any snow that does fall during the afternoon hours will likely begin to stick on roadways, as those temperatures will be cool enough, well below freezing at that time. So looking at the next 7 days, we're seeing those light snow showers continuing into the evening before coming to an end around 10 o'clock this evening. Looking at temperatures falling from a daytime high this morning of 36 into the 20s this afternoon, and eventually all the way down to 19 degrees overnight tonight. For the rest of the week, we're going to see a gradual warm up each day. Tomorrow will be pretty cool under mostly sunny conditions with a daytime high of 37. And then, as you can see, those temperatures begin to warm as we go into the weekend, all the way up to 47 on Friday and into the low to mid 50s as we get into the weekend and into the first part of next week, where we'll see pretty mild conditions continuing, with our next threat of precipitation coming late Monday into early Tuesday, with a frontal boundary that will bring rain showers to the area. This is expected to be of the liquid form, not expecting any chance for snow showers during the beginning of the week, as it will be far too warm with highs in the mid 50s. That'll wrap it up for today's weather briefing. We'll be back again tomorrow morning at 10 a.m. Have a nice day.